Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I have something really special for you guys. First of all, I want to say thank you. Thank you everybody for supporting me, for subscribing to my channel, for giving me thumbs up, and for all your support. Like seriously, I'm really grateful for each and everybody who is going with me on my YouTube journey. And that's why I wanna do a giveaway. Yes. So if you want to see what is in my little box that I am giving away, stay tuned. Alright, so my giveaway today for you guys is everything in this box. All that stuff. I will find somebody who really loves it and who is one of my supporters, you know. It's makeup, it's beauty, so if you're not into this stuff, I'm really sorry, but ladies and gentlemen, whoever is into makeup, beauty, and so on, please stay here and watch this, okay? Alright, so let me start. I will do it like this. I will show you all what I got here in my box, everything you can win, and then after that I will explain how you can enter into this giveaway. Sounds good? Alright, let's do this. Alright, first of all, let's start with this ice roller. It's for your skin. It's for your face mostly. Like, you put it in the freezer, leave it there for a few hours, and then you wash your face and go over it in the morning. It will wake your skin up, it will wake you up because it's super cold obviously, and it feels really good. It tightens your skin, it tightens your pores. So yeah, like you can do like lymph drainage and all that stuff. So it's really awesome. So, and I have already one, so I don't need a second one. That's why I will find a nice home for this beauty. Alright, next is highlighters. Who is into highlighters? You guys love highlighters? Well, guess what? I got some nice glitter drops for you guys. And I have two of them. Two different brands, two different shades. I have this one from Cover FX glitter drops. Those are really sparkly. Like, you can look at that. So basically, if you want to put just some highlighters, or you want to mix it with your foundation or whatever, this is the best thing to do. And then I have the other one from the Beauty Crop, the Glow Milk highlighter. It's vegan, ladies and gentlemen, if you guys are all about vegan makeup. Actually, all of this is vegan in here as far as I know. Please teach me if I'm wrong, but it says vegan, but yeah, we'll see. And then this is the other one. These are not as, you know, glittery whatever, but I'm pretty sure they give you amazing glow. I don't want to open it up because, like I said, this is for you guys. I'm trying to pack it back up the way it came, so that way I don't, you know, if I can get it. Come here. Here we go. Alright, so this is the second drops that I got for you. I will just put it back in the way it was. Alright, so next I have Becca Skin Cosmetics, the Skin Love Glow Glaze Stick. It's also a highlighting stick that you can also use like for your lips or for your eyeshadow, you know, for your eyelids. It's a really nice highlighter stick. It's really pretty. And yeah, this will go as well. I'm trying to get into the drawing. Next I have some Diamond Glow powder from Artist Couture, and that's also, like, I have that same one in a different shade though, and I use it as a eyeshadow a lot because it's really beautiful. If you put it on your skin, oh my god, it will really look so amazing on you guys. All right, then next I have 2 lip sticks. It's like liquid lipstick, matte lipstick. I think this is one. Or lip gloss. This is like a pink lipstick from Dirty Little Secrets in the color Rose Petal. And then the other one is from House Laboratoire. I think that's how you say it. And this one is in the color Corset. It's like a really beautiful nude tone. And I'm pretty sure you'll love it because it's really somebody, you know, everybody can use those colors. Okay, then I have some lashes from Dollar Lash Club in the style Sydney. Those are absolutely amazing. I love using those if I'm using strip lashes because those are really nice, and they are reusable. Like you can get like at least 10 or even 50, depends on how you take care of them, uses out of it. And then last but not least, I have this beautiful palette from Eloise, the Queen. Guys, this is absolutely a beautiful palette. Look at that colors, guys, please look at that. How pretty are these? And this hasn't been swatched, nothing, like it's brand new, you can see. And this will also go into my giveaway package. All right, this is everything that I will drop into the giveaway box. If you want to win this whole thing here completely, actually, you know what, let me throw in 2 little extras from Tarte. I have here some lash mascara, camera ready mascara, and this is like a little blush that I will just throw in. Let me see if I can open it. Oh, here we go. See, that's what happens if you have no nails, because the work doesn't allow it. Okay, this is a little blush that I will just throw into the box. It's a little extra. All right, so all this, guys, can be yours. What you gotta do is comment down below on this video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and share it on your Facebook or on your Instagram or wherever you want. Share this video, and that's it. You entered. Okay, and I will do like the drawing probably either Saturday morning or Saturday evening, because I work all day. But I will find to do the drawing. You got time to enter this giveaway until Saturday 8 a.m. in the morning. I know it's a stupid time, but I'm sorry, I have to work. I started noon to work, so this is the only time I actually can do this right now, and I don't want to let you guys wait until Monday to find out if you'll won or not. This right now will only be, unfortunately, available for my friends and followers in the United States, because with this whole coronavirus, I really don't know how the post office works, or if they send worldwide, or I don't know, because I heard that you have to pay extra fees for like coronavirus fees on the post mail. I don't know if that's true, but you know what, let's just keep it simple. I'm sorry, but we have to do this only for my people in the United States for now. I will do another video as soon as we get to Europe in a few months. And another giveaway. Oh my Jesus, I will do another giveaway when we get to Europe for my Europe people only. So stay tuned, click that little bell down below so you get notified whenever I post a video, and you will not miss the next giveaway for my Europe people. Yeah, that is it. That's all I have for you guys right now. Don't forget, enter by subscribing, commenting, sharing this video. And if you really want to do me a big favor, just tag some friends in it, or you know, like recommend my channel. That would be really appreciated. Great. And I will really like from my heart say thank you. Okay. All right, so good luck everybody, and I will let y'all know who won in the comments down below, or even in a little quick video that I will post with the winner. All right, see you guys. Good luck.